Hello, my name is Sergio Marin, and today we are going to see how to manage a fleet of devices using Pantacor. In the previous example, we did a Raspberry Pi 3 gateway for my home network using Tailscale, and the idea is to be able to access the home network using a VPN tunnel from outside the network. Now, the idea is to be able to reproduce this device to connect several networks. For now, we are going to start with two of them. And the idea is to have my home network with the Tailscale gateway. And here there is more devices. And have a second network, in this case, my mom's network, that is going to have another Raspberry Pi 3 with the same configuration and everything, and they are going to create a VPN tunnel between those two, and all the devices inside this network are going to be able to access the devices in this network using this as a gateway to connect the two networks, basically. And for that, we are going to follow several steps. The first will be set up a fleet account. The fleet account is based on the hub account, therefore it's the same one, but we need to start that process. Then we are going to create a fleet leader that is like a device repository where we are going to maintain the releases and revisions that we have for the whole channel. Then we are going to create the channel that is how we distribute our version to all the devices in a fleet. And then we are going to assign the device that we already have, the one that is in my home network, to that channel in order to receive all the updates through the fleet interface. And then we are going to create an image that is pre-assigned to the same channel, and all the devices that get that image are going to automatically get all the Tailscale configuration to be connected in the same network. And for the example, we only have two, but that could be hundreds of devices connected via Tailscale without any more configuration than just starting the device.